The wife of the governor of Anambra State, Mrs. Nonye Saludo, has called for an all-stakeholder involvement to assist people who are currently facing challenges of flood. The governor's wife stated this when she visited Unity Primary School, Umuoba, Anam, where over 1,000 people who were displaced by flood are currently taking shelter. Details of this report from her.
And you know, when it's very too small, there is nothing too small. Maybe I'm not going to you don't have to do a need of WHO or all of her. So we continue begging people to come to your rescue. And I see them trying that.
On his part, the WHO Southeast Zonal Coordinator, Dr. Iboeku, promised to work more closely with the state government to provide basic assistance to the camps.
What we are really promised to you, WHO will fulfill it, because we see that there is a great need in this place. I want to once again thank Her Excellency for her heart of kindness and compassion.
Mommy, I like to let you. I like to
The Commissioner for Power and Water Resources, Engineer Julius Chukwuemeka, that of Health, Dr. Afam Obidike, joined the governor's wife during the visit.